Here's another daily gardening tip for you today. If you're just a beginner gardener or you're an advanced gardener, either way, I suggest you start a gardening journal. So just record everything that you do in the garden on a daily basis so you can remember what worked and what didn't work for the next year. I've been gardening for about 17 years now or so, and I still keep a gardening journal. And let me show you real quick what my favorite journal is. So this is a gardening journal that I found on Amazon a few years ago. It's called Week by Week Vegetable Gardener's Handbook, and I found it really useful and has a lot of great information on gardening in here, as well as it helps you plan out a week by week basis before your last frost date, after your frost date, during the summer, and then what to do in the fall. And let me just show you some examples here. So 6 to 4 weeks before the average last frost date, I put in my dates for my area, and then it's telling you what you can be doing: seed starting, planting, different maintenance for different types of crops, and then it has places for notes. So I've used this for 3 years now, so in 2020, 2021, 2022, and I write down my notes and what works and doesn't work. And then it has different articles. It talks about floating row covers or rhubarb or different plants. So you definitely don't have to buy anything for a gardening journal. You can just start one in a blank journal, or you can do it online on your computer, save it in a Word document or Excel document, and just record your notes. I just found that I always think I'm going to remember what I did from the previous year, what worked, what didn't work, how much I planted, where I planted it, how many seeds I did, those kind of things. But I never remember, so writing it down is always really helpful. I will put a link to this handbook in a comment, and you can buy that from Amazon if you'd like. I do get a commission from my website on any Amazon links. It's very small, but it helps me out, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Thanks. Bye.